going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. We had an actually really eventful live trading session today with the Learn Plan Profit Group. I started the morning off very strong. Yesterday I did have a red day, as you guys saw. I actually ended it at like $269 of a loss. But today we started off strong. I made like $125 within my first day trade. I took another one, I made another like $150. Within my second day trade, within that live stream, I was already up like $330 or $340. So my daily goal, something that I work towards every single day, is $500. But one of the things that we began to see is, as you guys can see right here, natural gas began to actually have a bullish run, which is not something that I expected. I was in with a very small position size. I had to manage my risk. I cut losses on my D-gas position, putting me as of right now at $102 net profit on the day. So right now I'm kind of looking to see if natural gas is actually going to continue to run up and continue that bullish run, or if it's overbought enough that it's going to sell off. But wanted to provide you guys with a quick little overall update, and also cover a very common question that I've been getting from a lot of our beginners, of asking the question, can you trade with a smartphone? So in this video, I wanted to, at least with the best of my ability, to explain the difference when it comes down to trading with a computer in comparison to trading behind a smartphone. But to answer the very simple question of can you trade with a smartphone, of course. There's no question that you can execute a trade with your smartphone. The whole Robinhood application, the Webull application, thrives off of that, the mobile application aspect of trading. One of the things that I just love to remind our traders is that although it might be convenient, right, to be able to be on the go and to be able to trade on the go, I mean, even with what it is that I do, I personally prefer to trade behind or in front of my computers, because I find it to be a little bit more effective and efficient. And what I mean by that is, when I'm trading behind my computer, I at least have two monitors, right? And not only just that, but I'm able to keep an eye on more than just one thing. And this is just because of the style that I trade. Again, if you're an investor, it might be a little bit different, but I think three main focuses and three main reasons that I personally prefer to trade with an actual computer itself. And the first one is, I feel like when it comes down to me being a technical trader, just doing a technical analysis, I can do a much more effective and efficient technical analysis when I'm actually in front of a computer, instead of trying to, fidget around my phone and to see if things actually add up. One of the second things that I really like is, it's much more effective and efficient, in my opinion, to have, the dual monitors and to have all the series of different indicators not necessarily overlap. On the mobile application, you can add as many indicators as you can, but because the screen is so small, it almost just looks like a bunch of lines are going everywhere, and it is not, in my opinion, as easy to be able to do a proper analysis. Now, one of the other things that I like to pay attention to is, when I trade, UGAS or DGAS, I'm also paying attention to /NG. And necessarily, I don't even need a second screen. I can at least be able to look at my watch list, which, while I'm actually looking at the charts, I can then see where the others are trading, because my watch list is active on the left-hand side of my Thinkorswim platform. So it allows me to stay up to date, not only with what I'm looking at on my screen, which is the same thing that you can do on your smartphone, but it also allows me to stay up to date with what other things are doing and how they're trading through my watch list and all the different indicators that I have set up. It's kind of like asking the question, if you were to, edit a video that you recorded off of your smartphone, is it easier to edit that video on iMovie off of your iPhone, or would it be easier to do that on a computer? I think overall it's more effectively and efficiently done in front of a computer, just because, again, you have a bigger screen and you have a lot more, in a sense, room to be able to move things around, and in a sense, less likely to make common mistakes. Altogether, can you trade with a smartphone? Of course. And I think some of the pros when it comes down to trading off a smartphone is, if I'm traveling, if I'm at the airport, or if I'm on the go, I think it's also very important to be able to have the trader application on my phone, so I can execute trades accordingly. Opportunity does present itself at random times, so if I'm not in front of my computer, I do agree, having the best of both worlds would be having the ability to be in front of your computer screen, but also, if you are on the go, to be able to have that mobile application where you can get updates with your alerts, where you can take positions, where you can set OCO brackets, whatever the case may be, but you can properly execute on your phone. One of the other things that I love to remind our traders, especially those that are part of Learn Plan Profit, is that if you are a beginner that's just getting started, I do feel that sometimes when I am on the go, I'm not as focused, and this might just be me, but I've made a lot of mistakes when sometimes I'm traveling or if I'm at the gym or whatever the case may be, and I'm still trying to execute trades. I feel like I'm much more micro-focused on the idea behind a trade when I'm in front of a computer, because this is all I'm focusing on, in comparison to if I'm trading off of my phone. At least for me, it probably means that I'm not most likely in an environment that is probably the best position to be in when it comes down to possibly taking a trade. And that just might be in my experience, but I tend to most likely be preoccupied, be on the go, or maybe just take a trade because I can, and that's not necessarily always the best idea, right? The idea is to only trade when the opportunity presents itself, and to make sure that you have a proper plan. And again, I'm much more cool, calm, and collected when I'm in front of a computer screen without any distractions, in comparison to being, on the go and on my phone. So I find myself to hold myself back more often than not when I'm on the go to take a position, in comparison to when I'm actually in front of a computer screen. So let me know in the comments section which one you prefer, and share your own experience. I find it that I'm much more effective and efficient and much more micro-focused when I'm trading in front of a computer screen, in comparison to trading on the go. But again, I do agree that some of the pros when it comes down to being on the go is to have the availability, right, and the accessibility to be able to trade off of a smartphone if that opportunity does present itself. Just make sure that your overall environment that you're in does not distract you. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to join our free investing group. That's going to be that first link down below. And if you guys want to watch me trade live tomorrow, click that second link down below, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group, and see if it's a good fit for you. Like always, guys, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.